Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be very helpful for you because in this video I will cover top 3 best government scholarship available in India and I will talk in detail about each scholarship. You can choose any scholarship for which you are eligible. So let's begin.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
On number 3, AICT Pragati Scholarship for Girls. All India Council for Technical Education AICTE invites application for AICTE Pragati Scholarship for Girls from girls students studying in the first year of a technical diploma or degree at an AICTE approved institution. The students who are already availing this scholarship can also apply for renewal of the same. The scholarship scheme aims to empower young girls with knowledge, skills and self-confidence so that they could contribute to the development process. A total of 5,000 girl students will be awarded up to 50,000 per annum for every year and other benefits. The girl student must have a family income of less than Rs 8 lakh per annum. Documents required: marksheet of class 10th and 12th, annual family income certificate for the previous financial year in the prescribed format issued by an official, not below the rank of Tehsildar, admission letter for getting admission in a degree or diploma course issued by the Directorate of Technical Education, certificate issued by the director or principal or head of the institute, receipt of tuition fee, bank account passbook seeded with the Aadhaar card indicating applicant's photograph, account number and IFSC code, caste certificate applicable for SC, ST or OBC candidates, Aadhaar card, duly signed declaration by parents confirming the accuracy of information provided in the application form. Selection criteria of that scholarship: the selection of the candidate will be carried out on the basis of merit of qualifying exam. Terms and conditions of that scholarship: applications will be invited once in a year through National Scholarship Portal of the Government of India. If a candidate failed or dropped out in a subsequent year, she will not be eligible for further scholarship. In case both CGPA and total marks are given in the mark sheet, total marks will be considered for determining the percentage. The grant of the scholarship is subject to the condition that the student does not receive any financial assistance in the shape of scholarship, any emoluments, salary, stipend, etc. Only verified online applications will be considered for the award of scholarship. This scholarship is expected to be launched by August 2021. Now number 2 in our list is National Talent Search Exam NTSE. The National Talent Search Exam NTSE organized by NCERT is open for students currently studying in class 10th. This program is meant to identify and nurture talent through financial support provided at various stages of education. The exam will be conducted at 2 levels, state and national. Eligibility: all students of class 10th studying in recognized schools are eligible for the Stage 1 examination irrespective of their domicile. The students selected after Stage 1 will be eligible for Stage 2 examination. Note: open distance learning students are also eligible to apply if they are below 18 years of age. Benefit: the scholarship will be awarded for different stages of education in the following way. For class 11th to 12th, an amount of Rs 1,250 per month will be awarded. For undergraduate and postgraduate, an amount of Rs 2,000 per month will be awarded. For PhD, the amount will be in accordance with the UGC norms. Selection criteria: the selection for Stage 1 will be done by the state or UTs based on the written examination. The selected candidate will then be eligible to appear for Stage 2 examination, which will be conducted by the NCERT. Note: for each exam, the qualifying marks for SC, ST or PH category students are 32% in each paper. For general or OBC candidate, qualifying marks are 40%. Terms and condition: reservation for the Stage 2 examination, 15% for students of SC category, 7.5% for students of ST category, 27% for students of OBC category, 4% for students who are physically challenged. The written exam at stage 1 and stage 2 will be of 100 marks with a total of 100 questions. The duration of the exam will be 120 minutes. In the stage 2nd examination, there will be no negative marking. The written exam will be divided into two parts: paper 1 mental ability test and paper 2 scholastic aptitude test. No applications should be sent to NCERT. Indian students who are in class 10th and are studying abroad can directly appear for stage 2nd examination. Now number 1. Indian Institute of Science invites application for Kishore Vigyan Protsahan Yojana (KVPY). This scheme is open for students pursuing undergraduate, graduation and post-graduation studies in the science stream. Selected candidates will get a fellowship up to ₹7,000 per month and up to ₹28,000 as annual contingency grant. Eligibility: following students can apply for the scholarship: Indian student studying in India, stream SA, students studying in class 11th with at least 75% in maths and science subject in class 10th board examination, stream SX, students studying in class 12th with at least 75% in maths and science subjects in class 10th board examination, stream SB, students studying in first year graduation in basic science related course, BSc, BS, BStat, BMath or integrated MSc or MS course, who have scored at least 60% in maths, physics, chemistry, biology in class 12th board examination. Benefits: selected students will get the following benefit. For SA, SX, SB stream, the selected fellow will receive a monthly stipend of ₹5,000 and an annual contingency grant of ₹20,000 during first to third year of BSc, BS, BStat, BMath, MSc, integrated MSc. Furthermore, a monthly stipend of ₹7,000 and an annual contingency grant of ₹28,000 will be given to the fellows in their 4th to 5th years of MSc, MS, M-Math or M-Stat. Selection criteria: applications will be selected on the following grounds: application form selection round, aptitude test round. An aptitude test will be conducted in Hindi and English language. Note: this year the selection will be entirely based on the applicant's performance in the aptitude test. Terms and conditions: the applications can only be made online. Students already receiving any scholarship or grant are not eligible for this fellowship. It is expected to be launched by September 2021. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.